Audio Jungle. 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 Audio Jungle.
Assalamu alaikum. This is your computer science teacher, Sir Fawad Akhtar Ansari. There's a question that you are about to make a program in the Visual Basic Console mode. So let's start working on that program. Okay, this is the query that write an algorithm using a pseudocode. We are making a program instead of a pseudocode. So write an algorithm using a pseudocode or the program with any conditional statement, means with the help of if then else or the case of. What we have to do that a user inputs a book name Mysteries of Myths in a website. If the book is available, then it will show the cost 500, and if a user buys 2 books, then 3% discount will be given. If user buys 5 books, then 10% discount will be given. The message will appear on the screen showing total amount with or without a discount. So what we have to do, calculate the cost without a discount, calculate the cost with 3% discount, or calculate the cost with 10% discount. I hope the question is clear with you that we have to input a book name and the system will detect the particular book name named Mysteries of Myths, and our system will decide what to do with the quantity. We must input the quantity, so the system will decide depending on our quantity that if we input 2 quantities, then it will calculate the discount with the 3%, and if we input the quantity 5, then it will calculate a discount according to the 10%. I have already made the program in the Visual Basic. So let's see. Okay, I use the variable book and the data type is a string. Then I use a variable discount, data type as integer, cost as integer, cost after discount integer, and the quantity as integer. How this program will work? We must use the input statement console.write enter book name, and whatever we type the book name, our console application will read it and then it will store it in the book variable. We must ensure that the book name must be Mysteries of Myths. So if the book name is Mysteries of Myths, the capital M, right, or the book is Mysteries of Myths with a small m, then console.write line means it will just show the output that the cost is 500 rupees. Then it will take the user input console.write enter quantity, this is for the input. Then whatever the quantity we input, our console application will read that line and put the value in the quantity variable. Keep in mind then the discount will be calculated with the 2 books and the 5 books. Okay, now if quantity equals to 2, then the formula of the cost is, first of all we multiply the quantity with the amount of the book, right? Then the discount will be calculated with the cost multiplied by 3 upon 100, where 3 is a 3%, right? After that, use the variable cost after discount, in which we subtract the discount from the total cost, then our cost after discount will be calculated. Now after that, cost console.write line, it will just show the output. Cost after 3% discount is, it will be shown, and the cost after discount will be shown. How it will work? Let me share the output of it. Okay, now let me increase the font size so it must be readable. Now we are testing just for the two quantity, right? So histories of myths with the small n, cost is 500, and the quantity I input 2, right? So the cost after 3% discount is, and the cost is written here 970, it is shown here 970, which is stored in the cost underscore after underscore discount, right? After the inverted commas, you can see cost underscore after underscore discount, which shows the total amount 970. Now next, as if quantity equals to 5, then the same step will be repeated, only the quantity will be changed, means replace 2 with the 5 and 3 with the 10, because it is a 10%, and the same formula will be applied over here, same text. And next is the condition where we have to calculate the cost without the discount, means if the quantity is 1, then what will happen, it will just display that the cost is 500, and the program will be completed, right, with the end if statement read. Now further check the program with the, okay, now this is test number 2, mysteries of with a small n. Enter quantity 5. Now it will calculate a discount 10%, and the value is 2250. This is the test. Now we press enter, and now we do test number 3. Now it start with this capital M, mysteries of miss. Quantity is 1, so there is no discount. Cost is 500 rupees. So this is how our program works. I hope you understood it. In the next class, we will write the same program with the case statement. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.